is Violet, and I'm excited because today is my first day on YouTube, and right out of the gate I have something special to show and share with you. Today is almost like a holiday because it comes once a year, every year. It came in the mail today. I'm excited to unbox it. Unbox it, unbox it, unbox it, unbox it, unbox it. But yes, I'm excited to share this with you for many reasons. I love their products. I'm a huge fan. I'm sure you are too. Otherwise, you wouldn't have clicked on this video. The main purpose of this ASMR video is to relax you and to also give you maybe a little bit of information on this product if it's something you're interested in buying. I upgrade every year just because I am chained to the ecosystem, but I also love the ecosystem. But anyways, let's get right to it, okay? Here comes one of my favorite parts. Ready? And now we're going to open it, open it, open it, open it. Oh my gosh. The brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max, 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 Max. In natural titanium. Pro Max, Pro Max, Pro Max, Pro Max. I had a hard time deciding on which memory capacity to get, but since I recently decided I wanted to start doing YouTube videos, I thought getting the most storage would be best since I want to shoot in a high resolution and a high frame rate. Having the most onboard storage was the best idea. Why don't we go ahead and open up the box, the box, the box, the box, the box, the box. One and two. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is stunning. This is much lighter than my 14 Pro Max. I know this year, instead of the stainless steel, they're using titanium around the edge, which is a stronger, more durable, and lighter material. We're gonna put this down over here for a second. Also, in the box, 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 oops, USB-C to USB-C cable. Since this year's iPhone no longer has a lightning port, I'm glad that they made the switch because USB-C is a universal standard now, and a lot of other phones use it, so you won't have to worry about having a specific cable to charge your phone now. You get an Apple sticker, some informational pamphlets. The phone no longer uses a SIM card. I love the Apple stickers, I'm not gonna lie. I think this is always a fun thing that they give you in the box. The stickers are dope. Okay, so next up is our screen protector installation. So we gotta take off the cover. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, that's so satisfying. Next up is the camera protector. Camera protector, 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 protector. And even though the camera is already a really strong material, the lenses are made out of a sapphire crystal composite, I still think it's just a peace of mind thing for me to have glass, a piece of protective glass over the camera lenses, just because. It's just because. No other explanation. It's just for me, just because. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that next, right now. This may look like this. Pretty easy to install. Okay. Beautiful. Camera protector installed. And I know some people like to use their iPhones without a case. I am not that person. I absolutely love Spec. I've used their cases for years. I think they are very durable. I love that sound. The Presidio Lux case. In the gold glitter, because I am a diva and I love me some glitter. But let's go ahead and put that on now. I love it. And it says, hello, 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 hello. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up the device and we're gonna talk about some of the software features. So Apple has been talking about their A17 Pro chip in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max devices. So I wanted to showcase one of my favorite games at the moment called Honkai Star Rail. This is a very graphically intense game, and I love it at the moment. I'm a very big gamer myself, so this was a worthy upgrade when I heard that this phone actually has the ability to do ray tracing and can handle intense graphics. You can see that the transitions are absolutely beautiful.
You have the worst luck running into me. Watch this.
Mobile gaming is definitely the future, and Apple has mentioned that some major gaming studios are bringing their games to the iPhone in the future. So I'm excited to see where the future of mobile gaming takes us. Hi, so we're in a different space because I wanted to test out 7 lenses now, shooting in photo mode. You have a 24mm lens, a 28mm lens, and a 35mm lens. You have your ultra wide lens, a 2x lens, and a 5x lens. So you have a lot of different options, as well as a macro setting for those up close shots, which is great. So let's take a look at the low light settings, and we'll see what outcome we get with a low light shot. So this was the photo that I captured in a low light setting. I actually turned off my ring light, and I was surprised to see the quality of the image. It really actually pulled out a lot of the detail, so you can definitely tell the difference. Alright, so next I want to talk about the action button. It is brand new to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max series. The action button is this little thing right here. It has replaced the silence switch. It is a fully customizable button that you can customize to do different things, such as silence, flashlight, control different focus modes. You can do different shortcuts. Currently, I have mine to FaceTime my mom, do a video call to my mom when I double press it, or long press it. Fully customizable button that can do many different things. I hope that Apple does some tweaking with it, so you can do things like double